Greetings and a warm welcome to this 3D Motive comprehensive course on building a platform game from the very beginning with GameMaker Studio. I'm Alan Thorne, and throughout this course I'll take you through the complete process of making a 2D platform game. In this part I'll show you how to create the 2D art assets. This includes graphics, animations and sound effects. To create these, we'll be using completely free tools almost exclusively. We'll see how to build power-up objects and level props using a vector drawing application called Inkscape. Then we'll see how to import and prepare sketch art, as well as how to assemble tile sets and create tileable textures with GIMP. We'll also look at how to rig and prepare characters for animation with Anime Studio Pro. And finally, we'll create a range of fun sound effects using SFX-R. By the end of this course, you'll have a rich foundational workflow that you can easily apply to making art assets for your own 2D games and projects. There is positively no limit to what you can achieve with the powerful tools I'll show you in this course. So let's get started.